The overall goal of this procedure is to investigate whether a placebo intervention on motion sickness affects subjective outcome measures only or also affects behavioral and objective measures. This is accomplished by using a balanced placebo design with a rotation chair paradigm. In the balanced placebo design, BPD for short, the study group is divided into 4 subgroups. Half of the participants receive the real drug and the other half receives a placebo. Half of the participants of each drug group receive the correct information and the other half receives the wrong information about the drug received. With the BPD, we can investigate the effects of a drug compared to a placebo and the effects of expectations by verbal information. Before and after the rotation procedures, the participants are asked to rate a list of subjective symptoms that typically occur during motion sickness, such as vertigo, nausea, or headache. Ideally, the rotation procedure consists of 5 runs of 2 minutes each, with 1-minute breaks in between. Behavioral measures such as the number of head movements and the total rotation time tolerated are assessed. The gastric myoelectrical activity is objectively recorded with electrogastrography, EGG. After the rotation procedure, the outcome variables are calculated. The EGG data is screened and analyzed to detect shifts from normogastria to tachygastria. Prepare the drugs used, a table to fill in rotation times and the number of head movements during the runs of the rotation procedure, a questionnaire to fill in the symptom ratings of the participant, headphones, and an eye mask. Prepare the equipment for recording the EGG.